Now let's talk about that remarkable story that has dominated here for the last couple of days, the landing of the European space probe, which is being hailed as one of the most historic space moments ever. And it's certainly been attracting a huge amount of traffic and attention on social media. The BBC website has received thousands of comments over the last 2 days, and it is the most read and the most shared story as well. So has the Rosetta mission reignited our interest in space science? That's a question for our science reporter, Melissa Hogenboom, who is with me and who, I think, Melissa, you've been glued to a computer screen by the sounds of it for the last couple of days. Just, talk us through the sheer volume of traffic, everything you've seen in the last couple of days.
Well, yeah, yesterday was a fantastic day, so we knew it was coming, but we didn't quite anticipate the drama and the tension. And as the day went on, we were getting constant updates from scientists, from people writing in, from people saying, my year sixes are fascinated by this. And it was really, really outstanding. We had people writing in all the time. Our site, our live page, had 1.8 million people following it, 5 million on our site, and you only need to look at the front pages of newspapers around the world to see how this story has really captured the attention of the entire world.
And talk us through a few examples. I mean, because we started off there saying, will it inspire people? You know, we all talked about the Olympics, didn't we? Hoping that lots of people would suddenly get into sport. Is the sense that there are those who hope that something of this magnitude will inspire perhaps another generation of scientists?
Oh, that's what we certainly see. And we've had some comments in today, and if we can bring them up on the screen. So yeah, scientists are using maths and physics to launch a little spacecraft, plot its course for 10 years, over 4 billion miles, to accurately rendezvous with a small speeding comet before dispatching a tiny lander to successfully hit the surface. And yet a lot of people can't even park their car properly at a supermarket. And this comment, I love this comment because it really just outlines the sheer scale of the mission. A lot of people expected it to fail, but it was 10 years in the planning, many more years engineering before that. And they made it. Even the scientists themselves didn't necessarily expect to. And it's a feat of engineering, physics, maths and chemistry all boiled into one to understand key questions about the universe.
Yes, and so I suppose what we'd all like to be able to do now is go into classrooms across the country and say, have you been watching it? Have you been following it? Has this engaged you, I suppose? I mean, the amount of traffic is certainly suggesting that people are engaged, but I suppose it's the younger generation we particularly hope might think about a career in this field.
I think it's every parent's dream, this really, because we've had people writing in saying their children were loving it. Yesterday we've had a comment, if we can just bring that up, that my son, who's 8, is so engrossed by this, and for me to see him bear witness to a discovery akin to landing on the moon is a parent's dream. And I think it really is a dream because this is a big experiment, it's a big picture. But if you boil it down, the science we can learn from it is really quite complex. So to have people interested in what answers we can get from this is really amazing. And I think it's going to help school children around the world get engaged with their homework.
Yes, even some a little older as well. Thank you very much indeed, Melissa. Thanks very much.